little bit on both sides, make sure everybody gets in here. So here in the Senate of Canada, the upper chamber of our bicameral system, meaning we have two different chambers, House of Commons and the Senate. So here in the Senate, we have 308 in the House of Commons. Anybody know how many seats we have here? 105, exactly. 105 seats, in other words, 105 senators. These senators represent different regions in Canada. For example, every territory has one senator, but here in Ontario we have 24 to represent us. Once again, in the Senate we have a conservative majority. The senators on the left side are conservative, with a few of them on the right in the back. This time our opposition party, we have only Liberal senators. So that's because here in Canada, our senators are appointed by the advice of the Prime Minister, but technically by the Governor-General. And so historically, we've only had Liberal and Conservative governments, so what happens is that often, but not always, they will appoint someone from their own party speaker in the Senate. But that gives us a very great variety here in the Senate, people from all different walks of life, and a high representation of women and Aboriginal people. So we have former doctors, lawyers, teachers, athletes, and of course, politicians here. In the back this time, we have 3 different chairs. So in front, in the middle, we have the Speaker of the Senate, Mr. Noel Kinsella, once again the referee. But can you imagine who would be sitting behind him in those 2 other chairs? The Queen or the Governor-General, absolutely, the 2 options. So the Queen or the Governor-General on the higher throne on the left side, with the consort or the spouse on the right side. So one more thing, if you take a look at the desks here, you're going to see microphones and earpieces. So here in Canada, we're officially a bilingual country with French and English. So members of Parliament and senators can listen and speak in the language of their choice, because in the back, we have 2 different booths. They do simultaneous interpretation, translation. Once again, it's very accessible to everyone. Even if you're in the public galleries, listening with your earpiece, you can listen to French, English, or the original bilingual version. Any questions? The pictures, yes, so we have 8 different paintings here. They're all scenes from the First World War. So for example, on the second right, the building you see here sometimes gets mistaken for Parliament, but what it is the Cloth Hall in the city of Ypres in Belgium. So something that was destroyed during the First World War. So we could say that they're here in the Senate, you know, just to give an idea that the decisions senators and parliamentarians take sometimes affect us all on an international level. One more question? No, so the Senate and the House of Commons, they are both made out of oak.